Senior Vice President Mr. W.C. Chong, all MCCM and the CCM, my senior allies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning! Realize being employed can never lead me to success. The opportunity came when I joined a very big insurance company to become an insurance agent. And I thought that was it. As long as I stay focused, work hard, I will be able to realize my dream of early retirement at age 40 and attain my time and financial freedom. But after 6 years of hard work and commitment, during which I have invested a lot of time and money on various courses and seminars for self-development, at the end of the day, I found myself a sole performer not able to take long break, for if I do, my income will cease. My crisis awareness came when I witnessed my sister-in-law, who was an insurance agent for 17 years. At age 57, she was still carrying her bag, sharing insurance policy. No, this is not for me, I told myself. Then, in the end of 1999, my good friend, Ms. Ivy G, has introduced to me a bottle of Palace wine. I was very skeptical towards direct selling products. As for me, most of the direct selling products are of low quality and yet high price. That was my mindset then towards direct selling products, just like many of you. In pursuit of career and material gain, I have neglected my health like most of you out there. At age 38, I was experiencing loss of vitality. In the afternoon, I was feeling tired, and in the night, I was just like a flat tire. But all this soon gone when I start to consume Palace wine. In less than 10 days, I could feel a world of difference already. And when I share this with my loved one, my better half, it has improved and enhanced our love life. It was even better than our honeymoon. Thank you, Alfred, for such a premium product. The Palace wine have not only changed my health condition and improved our love life, it has also changed my life altogether. At this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the person who brought me to Alton and to share with me this golden opportunity. She is none other than my upline, Ms. Ivy G and Mr. Yang. Thank you. I love you. When I have decided to take a peep at this business venture, I tried to influence my better half to join me, as I know if I were to start this new business initially, it takes time. So to get his consent is of utmost importance. But my effort was of no avail. He rejected my proposal and even warned me not to mention his name. But how come today he's standing next to me and working this business hand in hand with me? Let us hear from him.
Yes, thank you, Angela. Hi, everyone. My name is Lawrence Pei. After leaving high school, I pursued a sales and marketing course with the Malaysian Institute of Management. Upon graduation, I took up a sales career working for an office equipment company and later in a building material company as a marketing executive, all in all, for 5 years. Being an ambitious person, in the year 1977, I ventured into a building material and construction company as a managing director, and that lasted 20 over years until I came to Alton. During this time, I've never joined, attended, or subscribed to any direct sales products. I was very skeptical towards this industry as I witnessed many of my friends and colleagues fail after some time. My perception was it is not long lasting. It is for early birds to make use of their friends to make fast bucks. When Angela told me about Elkan, I was very adamant, almost annoyed. In the year 1999, I was actually looking for a drastic change of my environment. I went through 2 long recessions and downturns in my business. The profits that we made over the years went back to paying of debts. We could not collect from our debtors and we couldn't pay our creditors. As a last resort, we went to court. Those days, going to court is like going out, in and out of toilet. It was very common and I was very unhappy. This was indeed my crisis awareness. Unfortunately, because of my negative mindset and pure ignorance of the MLM industry and Elkan, I remained very passive. Shortly after a lapse of just 4 months, I noticed a tremendous change in Angela. Her positive attitude and commitment really made me open my eyes and take a real hard look at this golden Elkan opportunity. Being a sales and marketing person, I quickly read and learn about Elkan's MRT concept and his double bonus plan. I wanted to know why. So I went to Elkan headquarters and I was amazed by its size and assets. More so, when I witnessed Elkan's meeting and seminars, I have had the opportunity to meet with so many leaders from different walks of life. I was overwhelmed, filled with admiration and eager to take the first step to work the business. Furthermore, it gave me a lot of impetus to know about our Elkan's mission statement, and that is to be a leading quality international direct sales organization. This company is indeed visionary and the management is very, very far-sighted. It struck to my mind to mean only one thing. There is enormous potential business waiting for us out there. And for all of us, you English-speaking people, you can start here in our headquarters and take the international market by storm. Elkan have already secured more than 6 foreign markets, and one cannot imagine or calculate the returns of investment on such an endeavor. Example, in India, Singapore, Brunei, Thailand, Indonesia, and Hong Kong are very big markets indeed. Back in January year 2000, I finally relinquished my shares in my former company and commit myself full-time in Elkan. I knew that the building industry was a dead-end road as the slum would last for a few more years. Moreover, in our Elkan business, we only take 3 to 5 years to bear fruit, provided, of course, we work hard. I was right. In the year 2002, Elkan became the #1 direct selling company in the region of Malaysia, Singapore, and Brunei. We grew aggressively forward despite a sudden drop of sales turnover between 2001 and 2002 in the direct sales industry. We are lucky because we have chosen the right company and we ride along with the trend. By the way, our membership is close to 200,000. It proves that whenever we join Elkan, it does not make any difference. At first, it was not easy for me to zero-rise. I have my fair share of hard times and sad times. Most of my former business associates and close friends avoided me. They thought that I've lost direction and cannot understand why a businessman like me would choose a direct sales business. Many would not listen to my explanation, and some even offered me an alternative job just in case I changed my mind. I don't blame any of them because I was just like them before. This was my medicine and I deserve it. I guess that the only way is to persevere and to prove myself and others that I have made the right decision. I am very grateful indeed to my loving wife Angela. Thank you. I love you. For showing me the way to Elkan big family. I would have perished and have been long forgotten if not for her insistency, a systematic education, and a very caring and sharing culture in Elkan. The fact is, we have received a lot of guidance, support, and encouragement from our senior allies, namely CCM, Mr. and Mrs. Freddie Ng, Mrs. MCCM, Mr. and Mrs. Gregor Woon, Miss Kevin Leong, all my senior allies, and our sidelines and mentors, MCCMs, Mr. and Mrs. Fabian Tan, and Mr. and Mrs. Singkong Beng, and so many other leaders that have came along the way to help us. Thank you all of you once again. And remember, please don't stop loving us. Appropriately, we would sincerely like to thank the master of no problem, MCCM, Mr. and Mrs. Francis Chia, for their constant attention and advice. And our educational minister in Elkan, our assistant consultant, Mr. Jeffrey Peck, who constantly remind us that going regularly to meetings to learn and practice the basic 3S daily are the most fundamental yet most effective way to success in Elkan. Thank you very much.
Yes, Lawrence is right. As I always said, my life begins at 40. The recognition that we received when we were a supplier manager has made us crave for more. It has rekindled our desire to be the shining star and the superstars of Elkan, just like tonight. Over the 3.5 years, we were given many opportunities to excel the hidden talent in us. From someone who was lack of confidence and shy away from the limelight to be someone able to be MCs, interpreters, speakers, not only locally but also overseas. And our passion to help build the English language market and our effort that contributed did not go unnoticed. And we have been selected to be for me, the secretary to the System Support Development Committee to sit in among so many great leaders in the meeting. And Lawrence is the Deputy Regional Liaison Chief of Central Region English Language Market. Thank you, Elkan, for these privileges and honors. Varieties are the spice of life. The traveling plan has taken us to many countries and we have left our footprints all over Vietnam, Japan, Indonesia, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Chiang Mai, and India. The heart-to-heart dinners and with different teams, World Congress, and also Leadership Convention has given us a chance to experience wonderful parties to let our hair down, and at the same time, our overseas CCM trip enable us to play and dine and wine with all the top leaders and all the vice presidents and the presidents. In fact, indeed, it is a wonderful life in Elkan. Both Lawrence and myself, our ages is almost 100 years, but we don't look our age because of Elkan's premium product. And in fact, we feel so dynamic, both mentally and physically. And we know we will grow old gracefully and enjoy our longevity with Elkan's premium product. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the belief that we can do is of utmost importance. It is in this faith that has guided us through persistently in Elgin to overcome all rejections and also a lot of obstacles along the way. It has motivated us to act further into achieving our set goals. So our set goal in the year 2005 will be to be MCCM and bring 3 CCMs. And lastly, to be a master, we have to be in the companies of masters that is in Elgin. With one dream to be the best above the rest. We shall see you at the top. Thank you very much. We love you.